Hello guys, so in this very short video we will see how you can trigger a push notification in your Android application. Alright, so this is the simplest method you can do in your application, and to do that let me just create new application and I'll create empty activity and our app name will be notification app. Okay, and then finish it. Okay, this will take some time, and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account so that we can connect to Firebase easily. So as you can see, I'm logged in with my Gmail account, and now to connect with Firebase you can just come to tools and click on Firebase and come inside cloud messaging setup. First connect to Firebase. Alright, here we will connect, add on project, new project, and our app will be notification app. Continue and continue. Okay, accept this and continue, create project, and this will take some time based on your internet connection. Alright, it's almost done. Okay, now our project is ready. Just click on continue, and now Firebase is trying to connect with our Android Studio. And once it is connected, as you can see, okay, once it is connected you should able to get one JSON file. Okay, this is done, so it's connected. You can close this one, and if you come back to Android Studio, as you can see we are connected, and if you see your project directory, and you should able to see this Google service.json file. Alright, okay, so everything is done, and we are not going to change anything inside main activity. So first what we'll do, we'll try to add FCM to your application. So click on Add Fcm. It will add this implementation. Accept changed. Okay, and let's wait for some time. Okay, I think it's added already. Now as you can see here, they have provided the implementation to get the token. So in order to get notification, we need to have a token here. So to get token, we can do this way. So you have to create new class, as you can see over here. Then it should extend Firebase Instant IT service. Now in Firebase documentation, I noticed this Firebase Instant IT service is deprecated, so we are not going to use this one. Instead we will use this. If you come back here, from the handle message directly we will get. So what I'll do, I'll create new service, and I'll extend this Firebase messaging service. Alright, so come back to your app, and inside your package, this is package. I'll create new. You can create new package and create service. I'll just create directly, so I'll write custom messaging service. Alright, and then you can, this should be CUS, right? TOY. Okay, so you can, for super class you can, okay, just write okay, then it should extend this Firebase messaging service. Alright, Firebase messaging service, and let me just make it small. Now inside that we have to override function called not this on message receive, is not required. We need this one, which is, where is that, on token receive. Okay, let me just write it here, on new token. Yeah, on new token. Alright, we have to override this, and you will get token over here. Now you can put logged on this. You can delete this one. Instead you can put log. Alright, dot info, and for tag I'll just give tag, and for s this token I'll write put s. So before that I'll write token here, and this token will be generated the moment you install the app, open the app. Okay, and the rest we will discuss later. Okay, now we'll get the token. Let's just see whether we are getting a token or not. Now before that, make sure you have to add this service in manifest also. Alright, so here down, if you come here down, they will mention you have to add this in manifest. Copy this, and in manifest, if you just below this activity you can add this, and for activity I wrote custom messaging service. Alright, so that's all we need. Yeah, that's all we need. Let me just run the app, and let's see whether we are getting this what do you call, token or not. Okay, so I'll just run the app, and this is token. I'll just put in log, and this is info. I'll change it to Okay, first our app is running. Let me just open my Visor. Okay, Poco. Okay, our app is running. Okay, it's launching. Our app just opened. Let's just see in the log. As you can see, we got token here. So this is the token. You need this token in order to push notification. Alright, so we got token here. Now we will push the notification from Firebase. And if you come here inside Firebase, let me just write it here. Firebase push notification, not example and not. Just write this and you should able to get this cloud messaging. Alright, and then if you come down here, not this one, sorry. Yeah, set up Firebase cloud messaging. Okay, as you can see here, you will get this option. Where is that? Okay, this is not there. Let me just see. Okay, yeah, send a test message. As you can see over here, the second option. I'll click on this, and now if you go to this notification composer, I'll provide link in the description. You have to choose which app you want to send. So notification app, I'll click, and now inside that we have to, you'll see this send your first message. I'll click on this. Right now we don't have anything here. See, now I'll send message from here, notification from here. So title will be some username them. Alright, so the message will be like how are you or anything like that. You can give any message. And now before we send the message, what we have to do is we have to provide one more thing, that is token. So if you try to click on send message, it will ask for Fcm token. That's why we need all this class. Alright, so we'll paste this token which I copied from blocked. Okay, and yeah, so now what you can do is add this token. We edit the token. Now if you click on this, let me just show you. I'll close the app, and if you click on test and wait for a minute, as you can see we are getting this notification here. Adam, how are you? That's all guys. This is how you can push notification. Now if you click on that the notification tray, it will just open your application. That's all. This is the simplest method you can send push notification, and in order to push notification you need token for that. Alright, so in the next few video I'll implement how we can send push notification from device to device. Alright, so in this video we are just pushing notification from the Firebase console. That's all guys. See you in the next one.